You can't see it, you can't touch it, but every day, the air we breathe is putting lives at risk, especially in neighborhoods like ours. Hey, I'm Maxie. I'm one of the two main researchers here at Treobytes. Air pollution is one of the most dangerous and most invisible effects of climate change. Air pollution doesn't affect everyone equally. It hits harder in low-income communities, where people already have fewer healthcare resources. Barrio Logan is surrounded by freeways, shipping yards, and industrial plants. According to a 2023 study by the Environmental Health Coalition, residents here experience higher rates of asthma and respiratory issues than nearly any other San Diego neighborhood.
Hi, my name is Josh, and I'm one of the two lead researchers here at Treobytes. Treobytes headquarters is located in Barrio Logan. We have seen how many people, especially kids and elders, struggle with asthma. One of our team members carries an inhaler every day. This isn't just a project to us, it's personal. We wanted to create something that could bring awareness, protect our neighbors, and give students a tool to take action. We started by researching the root causes of asthma in our neighborhoods. A lot of solutions already exist, but they're expensive, bulky, and stuck indoors. So we brainstormed. What if we could make a portable air purifier that also monitors air quality in real time? Something you could use at school, on your porch, or in a park. And that's how Breathe Better came to life.
Project Breathe Better addresses global goal number 13, climate action, by helping communities monitor and improve the air they breathe with a mobile, student-powered air purifier designed for urban neighborhoods like Barrio Logan.
Hi, my name is Avery, and I'm part of the design team at Treobytes. I 3D modeled the design, and we made it out of cardboard. This is the part where all the electronics are going to go in. You put it down, this door will close. This is where the fan is going to be. These are where the air is going to go in. These are the filters, and it can filter air just about anywhere.
Hi, I'm Jonas. I'm the design engineer of this project. I was working on the 3D model prototype of it. Then that eventually went to me designing a bracket for the filters so you could just slide it in. The first time, I made the gap way too big so the filter would just fall through. I used Onshape. It was quite a bit of a learning curve because I knew nothing about it from the start, but I learned along the way. And then they gave me a blueprint for making the casing of it. So then I just translated it onto Onshape, and then it got laser cut out.
My name is Rhee, and I was the circuits engineer for this air purifier project. At the start, I was assigned to research the best kind of filter is available. I narrowed it down to two candidates, HEPA and activated carbon. We ended up choosing the latter, by the way. When we started designing the actual filter, I worked on the circuit. I got dust sensor and a gas sensor to work. After I completed the two sensors, I unsuccessfully tried to configure an LED. Eventually, I searched up some tutorials and I found out that I was wiring the entire LCD incorrectly. And after I fixed that, it seemed to work fine.
I'm Rhee. I'm the electronics engineer at Treobytes. I started off programming a Hello World program into Arduino to check if it was working. Then I got an LCD and tested that. Then I combined a fan, LCD, and buttons to make something that would show information about how much particles are in the air. The electronics include the Arduino fan controller, LCD, carbon monoxide sensor, and dust sensor. The Arduino computes everything it receives from the dust sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, and the buttons. This button switches between showing dust levels and carbon monoxide levels. And this fan alternates between fan speeds. When the carbon monoxide is too high, it'll turn up the fan to maximum. And also for dust. The LCD screen shows everything that you need to know about this setup. It reads dust and carbon monoxide levels.
Our audience is both people with respiratory issues and youth in polluted communities. It's about protection and awareness, especially for those who don't usually have access to environmental tools. Breathe Better isn't just about filtering the air. It's about empowering students, protecting communities, and taking real steps toward climate justice. We believe clean air is a right, not a luxury, and this project is our way of making that real, one breath at a time. Thank you.